art friends, we're going to be drawing 3 little kittens. So get those pencils ready. Okay, so I'm going to have a kitten right here. Okay, so I'm just kind of sketch it in. And I'm going to have another kitten right here. Kittens are so funny. They don't know what's going on. Like a baby. Okay, and their paw is going to be coming forward and then tucked under. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 kittens. All right, so to start with, I'm going to start about right here with their little eye. I'm going to put a line here, and then there's the inside, and then I'm going to put the other eye right here. And this one's going to be more like that. There we go. And then if we come down, we have just a teeny tiny little kitten nose and a teeny tiny kitten mouth. And then we're going to have this come under here, and it's going to come back. And then we're going to have it come over by the eye, and then this one's going to come up, and then we're going to have the kitten ear here and another kitten ear here, and we're going to draw the back of the kitten ear and the back of the head. Oh, look at that cute kitten. And we're going to put some ear hair in here. All right, I'll put some little hairs coming in there, and maybe a few hairs coming out here. There we go. Okay, now for the kitten body. So we're gonna come out, down, then we're going to start over here, come down, round, and then come back for the arm. Okay, so his other arm's back there, you just can't see it. And then we're going to have it come out, back down, and then here's a foot, some little paws on it. I think I'm going to make a little tail here, because cats and their tails, they're so cute. And then we're just going to come around, and then that's all we have on this cat. So maybe we put like some markings on it. Kind of fur it up a little bit. There. All right. Now for kitten number 2. Kitten number 2, we're going to have a big eye right here. Okay. And then we're going to have great big with the middle. Okay. Then for their other eye, it's a little different. We're just going to draw a line like that. And then they're going to have it coming down like so. But then their little nose is going to come down. And they just got the little nose and the little thing there, because this kitten's looking over here. Okay, and then we're going to, oh, I know what I forgot. The whiskers. Oop, got in his eye. That's okay. All right, so then this kitten has a big face on this side. Okay, and we got the little ear up here, and we got the little ear hairs. Okay, like that. And then the little head comes over, comes up, down, around. And then we got the ear hairs over here. And then we got the kitten face that comes around, like so. Guess maybe we'll do the bottom. There we go. We'll do some little eyelashes. Okay. And then this one's got paws coming down. And then we've got the next paw coming up, coming back, the little elbow, and then there's their back leg, but you can't really see it much because they're, you know, kind of behind their brother or sister, whoever that is. But you know what? I'm gonna put a little tail up here. And I think this tail needs to be hairy. There we go. And then let's put a little shading in here because this paw is behind that other paw, and I'll do a little shading here. Striped cats. There we go. I think I need more over here. There, that looks better. All right, then for the third kitten, I'll start with the eye right here. And then we're gonna draw another eye right here, kind of slope down. Okay. And we got the teeny tiny little nose and the teeny tiny little mouth. And there's their chinny chin, chinny chin. Kind of comes around. There's the ear. Draw one little line back. There's the other ear. And he's kind of laying back behind everybody else. And then this one, he's kind of laying down. He must have been playing really hard and he's tired. Okay. And then here's his other paw. Put some stripes on him. This one looks happy, this one looks mischievous, and this one looks tired. Maybe bring that back a little. There we go. Get some whiskers. And then here's the floor. And I think that's it. We'll get that colored. Hey, if you'd enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.